Want to ditch Xfinity Cable, but keep your internet? It's doable. This video breaks down how to downgrade your plan. Xfinity allows you to modify your services to remove cable TV while retaining internet. First, assess your contract for early termination fees. These are typically under $50 as of late 2025, and promotional periods often waive them. Next, contact Xfinity to request the removal of cable TV from your plan. They'll confirm your internet retention. This process fundamentally involves changing your bundled service to a standalone internet plan. Keep in mind that while you'll save on TV fees, potentially $20 to $80 per month, you might lose bundle discounts. Once you've contacted Xfinity, select a standalone internet plan that suits your needs, like Performance Pro for 400 Mbps. Xfinity might offer migration credits to offset any cost differences. After changing your plan, return any leased cable boxes by scheduling a pickup. Prepaid shipping labels are usually provided. Failing to return equipment can result in fees. Finally, keep an eye on your bill. Expect a prorated charge and monitor for any adjustments. The full cancellation process usually takes 1 to 2 billing cycles. By 2028, analysts predict 30% of Xfinity customers will be internet only, so you're joining a growing trend. Retain your modem router if owned, else Xfinity rents them for about $15 a month. Don't forget to compare total costs, as bundles can hide fees. Expert opinions suggest cord cutting is irreversible, so downgrading may be a smart move.